Have you ever wondered how recommendation systems work? How does Amazon know what to suggest next after you've purchased a book? Or how does Netflix decide what movie you'd like to watch after you've just finished a series? It's all thanks to a concept called a priori in association rule learning. Dive into the fascinating world of data science and unravel the mystery behind these recommendation systems. Today, we'll explore the concept of a priori in association rule learning, step by step. A priori is an algorithm used in data mining for finding frequent item sets and relevant association rules. It's named a priori because it uses prior knowledge of frequent item set properties. This algorithm is foundational in the field of data mining and plays an integral role in the working of recommendation systems. First things first, what exactly is an item set? In data mining, an item set is a set of one or more items. For instance, consider a shopping cart. Each item in the cart is an item, and the whole cart is an item set. Now, a frequent item set is an item set where the number of times the items appear together is above a certain threshold. This threshold is often set by the user, and it reflects the minimum support required for an item set to be considered frequent. The a priori algorithm uses this concept of frequent item sets to determine which items often appear together. It operates under the assumption that if an item set is frequent, then all of its subsets are also frequent. This principle is known as the a priori property, and it helps to reduce the computational cost by limiting the number of item sets that need to be checked. Output: the algorithm works in two steps. First, it identifies all frequent item sets in the database. Then, for each frequent item set, it generates an association rule. An association rule is an implication expression of the form X and GTY, where X and Y are item sets. The rule's strength is measured by its support and confidence. Support refers to the proportion of transactions in the database that contain the item set, while confidence is the proportion of transactions that contain X and also contain Y. A high confidence level indicates a strong association rule. In the context of recommendation systems, these association rules help to identify patterns in user behavior and suggest items that a user is likely to be interested in. For example, if the a priori algorithm determines that people who buy bread often also buy butter, it can suggest butter to a customer who has just added bread to their cart. Output: in summary, the a priori algorithm is a powerful tool in data mining that is used to identify frequent item sets and generate relevant association rules. It uses the principles of support and confidence to measure the strength of these rules and utilizes the a priori property to reduce computational cost. Its applications in recommendation systems have revolutionized the way businesses understand and cater to their customers' needs. Remember, the magic behind your Netflix recommendations and Amazon suggestions is the result of clever algorithms like a priori working behind the scenes to enhance your user experience. So next time you see a surprisingly apt recommendation, you'll know the science behind it.